Hi, Peter Nixon here in the Asia studio of Hong Kong for the PDI Online Institute. And I'm so excited to tell you about session 8. Session 8 out of 10 for the Star Negotiator series is all about tactics. And tactics really define negotiators. Most of you only use 5 or 6 tactics. And if you want to become a lot better, you got to learn how to use more tactics. So in this session, we help you learn that about the tactics you use most often. We point you to learning more tactics. We'll give you a chance to practice, and we're even going to recommend when you should use some of these tactics and with who. So this is some pretty tangible stuff that you get that I haven't seen in any other courses, which is so valuable because of our link between your motivational styles and the tactics that are influencing for the people you're working with. Remember, all of our live sessions start with a TED Talk or a PowerPoint presentation from me. Then we open it up to an application case scenario about your situation, maybe a game or an exercise. Then we open it up to Q&A. Any questions you want to ask, we'll answer for you. And then we point you to where to learn more and what sessions to do next if you're interested in learning more. This is flexible pricing, so you can pay whatever you can afford. We thank those of you who can afford more. It allows for the people who can afford less to still join. And I think that's important in the world that we're living in today. So I look forward to seeing you in session 8 about tactics to learn to become a star negotiator. Cheers.